Greetings on the channel. By popular demand, step by step and fully, I will conduct a video analysis of the Arbitrage Circle Binance token USDT through Binance with a profit of about 11% per round. But there are restrictions in the form of 3 scrolls and a total amount of no more than $50,000. Since the wallet is British, only British citizens can pass verification, so I do not recommend you to exceed the limit. But traditionally, the sponsor of this video is our Telegram channel, where you will find free bundles and valuable information. In our channel, even more actual bundles and insider information. And if you still have questions or want to discuss something, then pay attention to our chat, where you can discuss with like-minded people everything except politics. Back to practice. Go to trading and spot market on Binance. Look for and select the trading pair Litecoin to USDT. Choose market or market order type. Copy and paste the amount of USDT. In our case, for clarity, it is $10,000 and buy. The order was executed and we go to the wallet, section Fiat and Spot. Select Litecoin and click Withdrawal. We check the availability of coins on the Spot wallet and go to Fexosex. Click Get Started. If you don't have an account, and register. If there is, log in. Choose Litecoin and click Deposit. But before you start the round, be sure to check the price by going to the Exchange tab. We need to find Litecoin. Make sure it is more expensive here than on Binance. The difference is now a little over 9%. This is the spread, or in other words, our earnings. Go back to the wallet, select Litecoin and click Deposit. Enter the number of coins we bought earlier and click Get Address. Copy the address and go to Binance. Paste the address. While the network for Litecoin, choose the right one. Enter the amount and output. Once again, we check everything and pass the security check. The funds have been sent and we go back to Fexosex. Click I paid. The funds are usually received within 3 to 7 minutes. You don't have to wait. You can just go back. I will wait for clarity. The funds are already displayed on our balance. We go to the history of transactions. And, as we can see, Litecoin minus the deposit fee has been successfully credited. Let's go to the Exchange tab. We choose that we give Litecoin and receive USDT. The commission is 0.3%. Enter the amount of Litecoin and click Exchange. The exchange was successful, and we return to the wallet. We choose USDT and press Withdraw. Since it is a fast network, and what is important for arbitrage has a minimum commission. Enter the amount of USDT, and now we need an address. To do this, go back to Binance, go to the wallet section Fiat and Spot, choose USDT, and press Enter. Select the network in the same way. Copy the address. It is important that here and here the network was the same. Paste and send. The funds have gone to Binance. Let's go to the history of transactions and withdrawal history. As we can see, the funds have already been sent. Let's go back to Binance and also go to the transaction history section. Let's refresh the page. Usually, the funds come in 2 to 3 minutes. I remind you that you will find more bundles in our Telegram channel. In case of questions, write to the administrator. Discuss all the moments in our chat. Do not forget about the restrictions. Good luck, peace, and financial success to everyone.